You have the power to transform your life, it's within you. This isn't just a dream, it's a reality waiting to be unlocked. Imagine a year from now, a new you standing tall, a year filled with growth, achievement, and lasting change. This is the potential of a 365-day challenge. A 365-day challenge is a commitment. It's about dedicating yourself to a goal, a dream, or a better version of yourself, one day at a time. It's about breaking down a large goal into smaller, manageable steps. Each day becomes a building block, leading you closer to the life you envision. Small changes consistently applied yield remarkable results. This is the magic of daily habits. Choose a small action related to your goal and commit to it every single day. Whether it's reading for 15 minutes or taking a brisk walk, consistency is key. The beauty of a 365-day challenge is its versatility. Choose a challenge that resonates with your aspirations. Want to improve your fitness? Commit to a daily workout routine. Dreaming of writing a book? Challenge yourself to write a page every day. Section 5. The strength within building resilience and confidence. Committing to a year-long challenge builds inner strength. You develop resilience as you overcome obstacles. You gain confidence with each small victory. This journey is about pushing your limits and discovering your true potential. Section 6. Stay the course. Navigating challenges and celebrating success. There will be days when you stumble. There will be days when you question yourself. But that's okay. It's part of the process. Remember your why. Celebrate your successes, no matter how small. And most importantly, never give up on yourself. Section 7. Your toolkit for success. Practical tips for lasting change. Set yourself up for success with these practical tips. Break down your goal into smaller milestones. Track your progress. Find an accountability partner. Reward yourself along the way. And remember, progress, not perfection, is the goal. Section 8. Embrace the journey. 365 days of growth and discovery. This is more than just a challenge. It's a journey of self-discovery. You'll learn about your strengths, weaknesses, and what truly motivates you. Embrace the ups and downs. Each day is an opportunity for growth, learning, and becoming the best version of yourself. Section 9. Your year starts now. Take the first step towards a new you. Don't wait for the perfect time. The time is now. Take that first step. Commit to yourself. You deserve this. Imagine the sense of accomplishment a year from now. You are capable of amazing things. Start today and unleash your full potential.